1952 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery Wagon Restomod. Price: $26,500. Location: Colorado, USA. The 1952 Chevrolet Sedan Delivery Wagon Restomod is a perfect blend of classic American style and modern street cruising performance. Finished in an eye-catching bright yellow paint job, this vintage Chevy immediately grabs attention and stands out from the crowd. Its unique body style, originally designed for commercial deliveries, has become one of the most sought-after platforms among hot rod enthusiasts and custom car collectors. The first thing you'll notice is the unmistakable 1950s Chevrolet styling. From the iconic split windshield to the shiny chrome bumpers and trim, every angle of this classic wagon reflects the golden era of American automotive design. The side-hinged rear cargo door and streamlined profile give the Sedan Delivery a distinctive look that continues to turn heads more than 7 decades after it first rolled off the assembly line. The power comes from a V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission, delivering the kind of smooth performance that makes every drive enjoyable. The upgraded 4-barrel carburetor helps provide strong throttle response, while the dual exhaust system produces a deep and satisfying rumble that classic car fans love. Under the hood, Edelbrock valve covers add a performance appearance, while the heavy-duty radiator and dual electric fans help keep everything running cool on warm cruising days. The interior combines vintage character with practical upgrades. Comfortable bucket seats welcome the driver and passenger, while Stewart Warner gauges provide a classic performance-inspired dashboard layout. A JVC radio adds modern entertainment, allowing you to enjoy your favorite music while cruising down the highway. The traditional 2-spoke steering wheel keeps the nostalgic atmosphere alive and reminds you that you're driving a true American classic. The cargo area remains one of the most appealing features of the Sedan Delivery design. With plenty of space behind the front seats, this wagon offers versatility that few classic cars can match. Whether used for weekend road trips, car show gear, or simply showcasing its unique design, the spacious rear compartment adds practicality to its already impressive list of features. The Chevrolet Sedan Delivery became a favorite among custom builders throughout the 1960s and 1970s because of its strong chassis, sleek wagon styling, and endless customization potential. This Restomod proudly continues that tradition, offering upgraded performance while preserving the timeless appearance that made the model famous. It represents the best of both worlds, classic style and modern drivability. The fact that this California car is now available in Colorado for just $26,500 makes it an exciting opportunity for collectors and enthusiasts alike.